everybody, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I would like to show you how to use the rulers, piano keyboarder. I using for my border. The rulers piano keyboarder has two sizes. One, the smaller is 1/4 inch and the bigger is 1/2 inch. So let's get started. I used the special foot for the ruler, and I show you how I use the ruler. So one thing. This ruler, this line and this line is very helpful because I used the first stitch and I control the line and my stitch, and it's very simple. I go to my block and go stitch in a ditch, control the line, and I'm back. I'm moving the ruler, and again all the time I control the line, this line and this line. It's very helpful. And again I go to my block and move the ruler, control the line, this stitch, and stitch in a ditch and repeat. Move the ruler, control the line, this line and this line, and again. Move the ruler, stitch in a ditch, and go. Move the ruler, control the line, this line and this line.